Students, today is grammar lecture, and in our previous lecture we discussed how we can create sentences according to the given picture. Now today we will also learn how we can create sentences according to the given picture. Students, in order to create filling sentences, you know very well it is necessary for us firstly we observe all the actions or happening which are going on in the picture. We also observe the position of different things. Then we can create filling sentences. Like, look at the picture. Here, some children are performing different actions. And students, one more thing you know very well, in order to create sentences according to the given picture, we always use present tense. Now, look at the picture. Firstly, observe what is it? It is a room. What are the children doing? Children are sitting. All children are sitting, but they are performing different actions. Like, look at the girl. She is playing with toys. Look at the boy. He is reading the book. Students, look at the fire. Here we can say that fire is burning. Look at this boy. Here we can create sentence. The boy is hiding behind the sofa. Look at this boy. This boy is looking at the girl. Students, look at the door. The door is open. Look at the picture. Here we can say that the picture is hanging on the wall. And look at the window. Here we can say that the window is shut. Look at this plant. Here we can say that the plant is in the vase. Here, look at these sofas. We can create sentence here. There are two sofas and one table in the room. Or we can say that this room is beautiful. Now students, here we will create some sentences according to the given picture. Firstly, here we will write about place. What is it? It is a room. Here we are writing about place. It is a room. What are the children doing? We can say that children are sitting. Here we are writing about the action, which the action is performing by children. Children are sitting in the room. Next, we will write about fire. You know very well fire means आग. Fire is burning. Here we are also writing about action. Next, look at the girl. What is she doing? She is playing with toys. Toys means खिलौने. He is playing with toys. Next, look at the boy. What is he doing? The boy is reading a book. Here we have written about the action which is performed by boy. Students, like these sentences you can create a lot of sentences. And you know very well, in order to create sentences we always use present tense. And students, in order to create a filling sentences, firstly we observe all actions happening or position of different things, or we also observe the place where the actions are going on. Then we can create filling sentences. Now students, you will create maximum 10 sentences according to this given picture.